Welcome to the Standard 3 students. Welcome to chapter 12, New Delhi, capital of India. So open the page 87. Open the page 87. So where is Delhi? First, where is Delhi? Delhi is surrounded by Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. First, look at Delhi. Delhi is here. Here, middle, Delhi. Delhi is here, written Delhi. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Haryana is in the west side, east side, Uttar Pradesh. And upper side, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. So in the middle is the Delhi. So what is Delhi? Delhi is the side of the Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Okay? All of you clear? What is Delhi? So it is the capital of India. It is the capital of India, and it is called as the new name is the National Capital Territories of India, NCT. NCT, National Capital Territory. National Capital Territory, NCT. So the Delhi's new name is the National Capital Territory. It is a metropolitan city located in the metropolitan capital and a city. It is a big city. Big city is called as the metropolitan. Business center, visiting place. So all are here. So it is a metropolitan city. The big city is called as the metropolitan city. Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, Madras. These are the metropolitan city, trading center. So Delhi is also a metropolitan city because it is the capital of India and a big business centers and a populated union territory. It is a small union territory, but it is too much populated. Why? We can know now. So it is a metropolitan city located in the bank of river Yamuna. It is a metropolitan city. It is located near the bank of Yamuna. Delhi is first built. Delhi is first built by Pandava kings named Indraprastha. Delhi has two names. Delhi has two names. One is Indraprastha, another is Shahjahanabad. Because Shahjahan, he is the Mughal emperor. He is a famous Mughal emperor who built the Taj Mahal. Okay, Shahjahan. So the Mughal emperor, big Mughal emperor Shahjahan rebuilt Delhi as Shahjahanabad. So Delhi is called Shahjahanabad and it is called as the Indraprastha. It is called as the Indraprastha. Why? Because the Pandava king first built the Delhi town. So it is called as the Indraprastha and also called as the Shahjahanabad. So lastly, British made it capital in 1911. In 1911, British came to India and made their capital in 1911 Delhi. They choose Delhi as their capital because it is a central place of India. So and it chosen by the Britishers as the capital in 1911. So Delhi is all about the territory, union territory, and lastly British made it capital in 1911. All the ambassadors and high commissioners of the world remain in Delhi. All the ambassadors and high commissioners are remain in the live in the world live in the Delhi, and the president of India who lives here in where? Rashtrapati Bhavan. So Rashtrapati Bhavan is in the Delhi. So President of India lives here in Rashtrapati Bhavan. So Delhi is a small union territory having its own government. There is no other union territory. All are under the central government. But Delhi is a union territory. Delhi is a small union territory who has its own government. Okay? Understand all of you? How Delhi is famous? Because Delhi is a small union territory having its own government. And Delhi is divided into two parts. Delhi is divided into two parts. Old Delhi, New Delhi. The first, the places of visit. What are the places of visits? The visiting place of Delhi is first is the Red Fort, was built by the Shah Jahan. That Red Fort built by the Shah Jahan. And Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, all the freedom fighters. And the Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar, Lotus Temple, Birla Temple, Nehru Planetarium, all are in the visiting place of Delhi. So, Delhi is popularly known as, for this reason, visiting place Delhi is known as the mini India. It is called as the mini India, small India. Delhi is called because due to these places of visits. Okay, understand all of you? Then festivals. Come to the festivals. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, Independence Day, Republic Day, Lohri, Eid, Muharram, Guru Parab, Christmas, Pongal, Onam, all the varieties of festivals of different religion are observing in the Delhi. And the climate of Delhi is extreme, too hot, too cold. In summer it is too hot, and in the winter it is too cold. So it is a small union territory, but a big business center of North India. It is north side. It is north side. So it is a big business center of North India, and its annual trade fair takes place. Annual trade fair takes place in 14th November Children's Day in Pragati Maidan. In Pragati Maidan, named as Indian International Trade Fair. Indian International IITF. Indian International Trade Fair. IITF. Because it is a big business center of North India, and its annual trade fair takes place in the Pragati Maidan on Children's Day, 14th November, called as the India International Trade Fair in Pragati Maidan on Children's Day. So it is all about the New Delhi, the capital of India. Any doubt? Please ask me. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.